All right, another fun game that we're gonna play with the Socks That Knit Along is a emoji mishmash. So again, you're gonna go up to the top of your feed, and that's where you're gonna find your profile picture. Ooh, that's loud, sorry about that. And then you're gonna hit your profile picture again, and that's gonna pull up your camera. You're gonna go down here and find your pictures, and you've already downloaded the Emoji Mashup, and then you can just plug in your favorite knituation. Okay, so go and find in the little square smiley face, tap on there, and then you can search for any GIFs, or you can find whatever emoji that you want to put there. What describes your current knituation? So I just ate out and I am stuffed. Oh my goodness, that's me right there. Okay, that's my current knituation. So you go through the little prompts, they're just for fun. Find your favorite GIFs or your favorite emojis and then place them in there. And then when you're all done, you just tap down here at the bottom and add it to your stories.